Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our, week 4 of our class Physics 150. You just missed an ambulance going by, or a fire truck. You may hear noises in the background, but things are going well here. I hope they are for you as well. I know last week was rather eventful in terms of the class because we had some issues with the lab. Uh, I hope those worked out. I believe they did mostly. See, some things never change. But I will keep you. There were a couple of you that had issues, uh, not doing it through any fault of your own, but there were issues with Brightspace and your submitted activity, and then a couple of you had issues still with getting the kit. In all those cases, I'll work with you on this, but we have to get that in. So just keep me posted. Don't let me be the one that you don't tell about this until the end of the class. That's too late. Okay, let's talk about our 3 activities we have for this week. We have another discussion this week. This week we're discussing, golly, I'm a trained professional too. This week we're discussing aspects of Newton's third law. Remember, that's conventionally stated is that for every action there's equal and opposite reaction. I was watching another video myself on this, getting some pointers about it myself, and this other instructor that was on there uh, said it in a very different way than we usually say. And I may get that video, put it up for you, because I kind of liked him. He was kind of fun. And it's just a YouTube video, but it's about the same kind of material. He does not yawn in the middle of his sessions. So we're going to discuss aspects of that. And I will try to do a better job, since this is more than just a introduction discussion. This is actually, we're going to be talking about some actual coursework. So I'll do a more precise job of evaluating your work. So be on guard for that. And I may actually ask, in my response to you, I will ask you some questions I expect. Not many detailed questions, but I may want some clarification. The lab this week is primarily, I'm going to say, about Newton's second law, but it does cover Newton's laws for the one I just mentioned, the third law, a little bit, and I think you'd say mainly it's going to be Newton's second law, because we have applications of F equal ma in that. Sorry. And then our WebAssign exercises as well. I got a couple of questions this past week about the WebAssign exercises, and I thought they were good questions, and I'm hoping I helped you out with my responses. Then you've got to get ready. There are 2 more projects that we do in week 5, and later I think 7. They're about the same sort of thing. This one next week is intriguing because it's not an experiment, but it's a project where you do analysis and you're analyzing projectile motion and impact. So that's what we're doing this week. I hope this was helpful to you, made you a little excited about the material. If you need help at any point in the coming week, just give me a call, or I guess I prefer really an email or a text, and I'll get back with you. We can set up a call if you want to. Well, any of these subjects and any of the things we've done already, I'd be happy to help you if I can. So anyway, have a real pleasant week, and I will be in contact.